winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Everything is covered in snow. Some animals, like bears, hedgehogs, bats, hibernate during winter. Snowflakes are falling on the ground. The water is frozen. You can see lots of icicles all around. Let's see what we should wear in winter to keep us warm. Sweater, boots, jacket, scarf, beanie hat, gloves. Children make snowballs. They are having fun building a snowman. The girl is ice skating. Two little girls are sledding down the hill. A boy is skiing. Snowboarding is very fun too. That girl is making a snow angel. Everyone is very excited because Santa is coming to town.